Okay. Okay.
Just doing leg curls right now. Starting off with the first exercise, I always start with something different. Sometimes it can be single legs, and right now we're doing laying down for your hammies, baby. Wow. Arms have nothing to do with this. Moving at a very fast pace, 45-second break in between. It's a good workout, getting a good pump, and we're still using a good amount of weight. We'll do about, I think like 8 exercise, 7, I'm not sure. And then go right into quads. So what I do is keep doing sets until I feel like my knees are warm enough and I can go into the next exercise without having to feel pain when I squat or leg press or whatever. Just have enough blood in that area where it's gonna be just smooth like a machine. Yeah. Earlier you saw me doing another vertical press, which was the one to my left, and we was doing that for hamstring. Our feet all the way high in the platform and pushing with our hamstrings. Now we're going to be using our feet low in the platform and using our quads.
Why are you going so light?
It's a light thing. 1, 2, 3, the vertical, I'm doing some regular leg press, superset with 2 different type of leg presses. Going wide on here and then close over there. We're not going really high, we're just getting 20 reps in each one, 40 reps total on the superset. So this is more just to get a lot of pump, a lot of volume, a lot of blood into the muscle. Wednesday's my heavy day. You know, train pretty heavy. Today, one exercise probably heavier than the rest. Not to put a lot of stress on the knees. I'm really dead after this. Hey guys, how you doing? This is Juan Diesel Morel here at the East Coast Mecca. I'm proud to announce that I'm part of the gear team right now, and I'm honored. Thank you guys for bringing me on board. Expect big things at 2014. First show will be All-New Classic Brazil, and then the New York Pro, and hopefully the Olympia. Big things 2014.